Imagine a scenario where Warren Buffett, the legendary billionaire investor renowned for his financial acumen, sits down to reveal the untold secrets of wealth building. Can you envision the priceless pearls of wisdom he would share about the pitfalls holding people back from financial success? Well, you won't need to imagine any longer, because today, we're about to unveil Warren Buffett's unique perspective on the 8 common financial mistakes that hinder prosperity. Yes, you heard it right. In this video, we bring you an exclusive insight into the mind of one of the world's wealthiest individuals. So, brace yourself for a masterclass in financial wisdom, and make sure you stick around until the very end, because the Oracle of Omaha is about to drop some financial truth bombs that could transform your life. All right, let's dive right in and discover the 8 things that Warren Buffett believes poor people often waste their hard-earned money on. 1. Excessive spending on luxuries. One of Warren Buffett's top financial insights is the danger of excessive spending on luxuries. Despite his immense wealth, Buffett is known for his simple and frugal lifestyle. His advice is straightforward. Rather than lavishing money on expensive cars, designer clothes, or extravagant vacations, focus on investing your hard-earned cash wisely. Warren Buffett's philosophy emphasizes the importance of saving first and then spending what's left over, not the other way around. This means prioritizing financial security and future growth over immediate gratification. By practicing restraint and making mindful spending choices, you can build a solid financial foundation that paves the way for long-term wealth and security. Remember, as Buffett wisely puts it, do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving. These words carry the essence of his financial wisdom, reminding us to prioritize savings and investments over extravagant indulgences. 2. Unnecessary debt. Warren Buffett's second crucial piece of advice centers on steering clear of unnecessary debt. He cautions against falling into the trap of accumulating high-interest credit card debt, comparing it to a perilous contagion to be avoided at all costs. Buffett's approach is to prioritize debt repayment, especially high-interest debts, as a first step toward financial stability. By doing so, you free yourself from the burden of interest payments that can erode your wealth. Instead, he recommends redirecting those funds into investments that have the potential to grow over time. This strategy not only helps you eliminate financial stress, but also positions you on the path to building wealth through smart investing, aligning with Buffett's timeless principle of making money work for you. 3. Gambling and speculation. The third pitfall Warren Buffett addresses is the allure of gambling and speculative investments. Buffett firmly believes that seeking rapid wealth through risky ventures or gambling is a recipe for financial disaster. Instead, he champions the concept of patient, long-term investing in stable and well-researched opportunities. His iconic quote, "The stock market is designed to transfer money from the active to the patient," underscores his belief that impulsive, short-term actions often lead to losses. Buffett's approach encourages individuals to focus on safe, well-founded investments that have the potential to grow steadily over time. By adopting this strategy, you not only mitigate risks, but also align your financial path with the sage wisdom of one of the most successful investors in history. 4. Neglecting education. Warren Buffett's fourth insight revolves around the significance of continuous education and self-investment. He consistently stresses the value of enhancing one's knowledge base. According to Buffett, the more you learn, the more you can offer, and the more valuable you become. Instead of squandering resources on frivolous purchases, Buffett encourages redirecting your funds towards self-improvement endeavors. This may include investing in books, courses, workshops, or any opportunity that expands your skills and understanding. In essence, by prioritizing education and personal growth, you not only increase your marketability, but also position yourself for greater financial success in the long run, aligning with Buffett's belief in the enduring power of knowledge and self-improvement. 5. Ignoring health and wellness. The fifth financial pitfall, as highlighted by Warren Buffett, is the tendency to overlook health and wellness. Buffett recognizes that neglecting one's health can have severe financial consequences, given the potential for substantial medical expenses. His advice is simple yet profound. Consider health as an investment in your future financial stability. Buffett encourages individuals to take proactive steps toward maintaining good health, such as incorporating regular exercise and maintaining a balanced diet. By doing so, you not only reduce the risk of future healthcare costs, but also enhance your overall quality of life. In essence, prioritizing your well-being aligns with Buffett's wisdom by safeguarding your financial resources and promoting long-term financial security. 6. Impulsive shopping. Moving on to number 6, impulsive shopping. We've all been there, making unplanned purchases on a whim. Buffett advises creating a budget and sticking to it. Before making a purchase, ask yourself if it's a need or a want. This simple practice can save you a lot of money over time. 7. Keeping up with the Joneses. In the 7th spot, Warren Buffett cautions against the common tendency to keep up with the Joneses. It's a trap many fall into, where they try to match their lifestyle with their peers, even if it means overspending. Buffett's sage advice is a call for authenticity and financial prudence. He emphasizes that genuine happiness and financial security stem from living within your means, irrespective of societal pressures. Instead of being preoccupied with what others are doing, focus on your own financial well-being. This shift in perspective can lead to a more fulfilling and financially stable life, aligning perfectly with Buffett's belief in the importance of staying true to your own financial goals and values. 8. Failure to invest. Finally, at number 8, Warren Buffett underscores the critical mistake of failing to invest. He's a staunch advocate for the remarkable potential of compound interest. Buffett's message is clear. Kickstart your investment journey early and make it a consistent habit, even if you can only contribute a small amount. The power of compounding means that over time, even modest investments can snowball into substantial wealth. Buffett's famous analogy, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now, emphasizes that procrastination is the enemy of financial growth. By taking action today and embarking on your investment journey, you harness the magic of time and compound interest, aligning with Buffett's enduring belief in the value of wise and timely investment decisions. They say wisdom comes with age, but when it's available for us in the form of advice from the experts like Warren Buffett, it's worth its weight in gold. Or maybe stocks. Remember, financial prosperity doesn't come from having a large income alone. It comes from managing whatever you have wisely. By avoiding these pitfalls that Buffett highlighted, you're setting yourself up for a brighter and more stable financial future. And if you found value in this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial wisdom. Because, in the words of Warren Buffett himself, it's not about timing the market, but time in the market. Till next time, invest wisely and spend smartly.